Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to lock Windows. So first of all, what is the purpose of locking Windows? So the locking of Windows means that no one else can open your files while you are away from your computer, and it also hides and protects your program. To learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this. We will have to press the Windows key plus the L to lock your Windows. Now let's get started. So now I'm at my desktop, and to lock this Windows I will have to use the Windows key plus L. Then I will have to unlock my computer again. So I'm pressing the Windows L. So my computer was locked. Now I have unlocked it again. So this is how you lock your computer in Windows. So thank you for watching. Now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video we have covered how to lock the Windows. So thank you for watching.